The National Assembly held its third and final day of questioning on the Park administration's policies, with lawmakers grilling officials on social policy. Our Park Ji-won tells us how lawmakers urged the government to come up with measures for pressing social issues such as child abuse and welfare.
Lawmakers examined the government's social and educational policies on the last day of a three-day interpellation session at the National Assembly. Questions about policies for preventing child abuse at daycare centers topped the agenda following a recent series of child abuse cases at daycare centers that shocked the nation. The government came out with diverse measures to address the problem, such as making CCTV cameras at daycare centers compulsory. But lawmakers think that's not enough.
Do you think tightening regulations could be a fundamental solution to the problem?
I think a two-tiered approach is necessary. First, regulations should be tightened to prevent any more cases of abuse from reoccurring, as child abuse is an absolute crime. But that's not enough. We will come up with other measures to improve the treatment of daycare teachers and the daycare environment.
The nation's welfare system was also on the agenda and hotly debated at the session. Lawmakers pointed out the administration has failed to carry out its pledge to expand welfare without raising taxes.
Tell us the underlying principle for the administration and the ruling party's welfare plan.
As the nation's deputy prime minister, I vow that the government will pursue both goals of expanding the welfare system and securing the necessary funds to support it, based on the administration's previous pledges and a realistic evaluation of the current economic situation.
Lawmakers also questioned the government on its plans for strengthening the nation's crisis management and safety systems, as well as devising ways of protecting non-permanent employees. Park Ji-won, Arirang News.